4, 3, 2, action!
Hindi! Walang bagong taon! Wala sa pamilyang to magbabago!
Wow! Parang alam ko yung pelikula na yan.
Alam ko eh.
Ginit na.
Wow!
Charot, in English.
No! No New Year! No family brand new!
Hello, baby.
Breaking up with you. Don't call me anymore.
Baby, please don't do this. You need money, you need iPhone. I give everything I give. Whatever you say, I do.
Okay?
Just ask what you want.
Give me your Facebook password.
Who are you?
Walang hiyang mukha to. Minsan haggard, minsan blooming. Wow! Wither.
Putang ina.
Ay, be, ang tagal nyo nang magjowa. Ano bang sekreto nyo?
You eating my husband banana every day?
Ay, Diyos ko. Pinagsilusan ata ako.
No, madam. But why? I told you every day, eat my husband banana.
Uy,
No, I don't like. Why? You know listening. Come, listening to me. Listening very good. You eat banana of my husband. It's good for you.
What is that, madam? I don't like your husband banana.
My husband like.
I don't like.
No. You need to eat husband banana, okay? Take this one, take this one.
Every day, I will give sir banana to eat.
Yes, you need to eat banana, sir, every day.
Iba yung iniisip ko. Mali ata ako.
Huwag kang magpahinga! Magtrabaho ka!
Yayaman ako. Nakasulat yan sa palad ko. Dapat nga last year pa eh. Pero pinagpaliban ko muna. But this year, I just can't stop it. Woo! Look at me. Mayaman na ako. Pera na lang ang kulang.
Hindi pala pansit ang pampahaba ng buhay. Masamang ugali pala.
Spell annoying. Alam ko yon.
Spell annoying.
Huwag mo na
Spell annoying.
Annoying. A. N. O. Annoying.
Hindi, mali.
Walang O?
Kulang.
U.
Ay, mali.
At tinanggal din?
Huwag na, tumigil ka na.
bakit ka pa magda-diet kung maganda ka naman? Kahit chubby.
Soriana, arasan,